Instagram has just introduced a new feature called IGTV that allows users to watch and upload videos up to 10 minutes in length. Want to learn more about how it works and how to use it? You're in the right place. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to watch and upload content on IGTV. Now let's get started. IGTV is available within the Instagram app, as well as in its own dedicated app called IGTV. You can download IGTV for free from the App Store on iOS and the Google Play Store for Android. If you open the IGTV app, you'll see a button labeled Continue as Your Username. Tap that button to get started. To access IGTV within Instagram, make sure you've updated the app to the newest version. Then open Instagram and tap the TV icon in the top right corner next to the direct message icon. Once you open IGTV, it works exactly the same both inside Instagram and within the dedicated IGTV app. By default, new content from accounts you follow on Instagram will start playing. In the menu towards the bottom of the screen, you'll see a few different tabs. The first one, called For You, includes videos from people you already follow that Instagram thinks you'll like. The second tab, Following, will show all IGTV content from Instagram accounts you follow. The Popular tab, as you might imagine, holds videos that are popular on IGTV. And the last tab, Continue Watching, will hold any videos you started watching but didn't finish. In any of these tabs, you can swipe your finger over the video preview cards to see more content in that section. Tap a video card to start watching it. If there's a specific Instagram user whose IGTV posts you'd like to watch, tap Search IGTV. Type in the name of the user whose content you want to see. Then tap their name where it appears in the search results. Scroll through the video cards to see more videos that user has posted. When you're watching an IGTV video, you can hide the menu by swiping downwards from the middle of your screen. You can reopen it at any time by swiping upwards from the bottom. Hiding the menu will give you access to more options, including the ability to pause, like, and comment. Just like you normally would on Instagram, you can tap the heart icon to like the video, and tap the speech bubble to add a comment. If you want to share the video you're watching with one of your friends, tap the paper airplane icon. Select the friend you want to send it to, add a message, then tap Send at the bottom. Want to upload your own videos to IGTV? Tap the settings icon in the top right of the IGTV menu. Then tap Create Channel. Tap Next twice. Then tap Create Channel. To access your channel, tap the profile icon at the top right of the IGTV menu. To upload your own content, tap the plus sign on the right. Then, select the video you want to upload from your device. Videos can be up to 10 minutes long. Unlike regular Instagram posts and stories, you cannot capture IGTV videos using the app. You have to record a video in advance and upload it to IGTV. Keep in mind that you can only upload videos vertically, so if you have a video that was recorded horizontally, the sides will be cut off. Once you've selected a video to upload to IGTV, tap Next in the top right corner. If you want, you can change the cover that will appear on the video card by tapping Edit Cover. You can then upload a photo from your device, or select a frame in the video to use as the cover. Add a title and a description for your video. When you're done, tap Post at the bottom to share it to your channel. Your Instagram followers will then be able to see your video on IGTV. Unlike Instagram stories, you don't have to worry about your IGTV videos disappearing after 24 hours. They'll stay on your channel unless you delete them. That's everything you need to know to watch and upload content on IGTV. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.